A beauty on the outside, a beast on the inside, with more torque than a Nissan 370Z and a Porsche Boxster combined. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we will unbox a 1970 Buick GSX Stage 1. The model is a 1/18th scale, manufactured by Ertl, the American Muscle line. Part number is 7603, and the model production year is 1993. So let's dig in. Alright, so this was kind of an impulse buy because I already have a couple of nice GSXs, but I mean, I paid under $20 for it and it's a no-brainer. The Ertl American Muscle are out of production, but they're fairly affordable when found. The color of this GSX is satin yellow with black stripes. There was only one other available color, which is Apollo white. And now it's the turntable's turn. The hood-mounted tachometer is pretty nice. The engine is a 455 cubic inch or 7.5 liter stage 1 V8. It produced 360 horsepower and a whopping 510 pound-feet of torque, which was an American production car record for 33 years. It probably made way more than 360 horsepower, but regulations maybe. The 5-spoke wheels look authentic and very cool. The GSX logo is near perfect as well. The interior looks good. I'm experimenting with a new camera and still debating on additional lighting equipment, so I know it's not very clear on the inside. Here's the actual GSX Stage 1. The back of the car is my favorite side with the GSX logo and the beautiful design of the tail light and the trunk lid wing. The grille and the headlights look good. There's a couple of these nicks around the model, but it's not a big deal. The graphics are really nice. The paint job isn't perfect on this model, with some orange peel in a couple of places, but the price is unbeatable. And the details are pretty cool. So I say this diecast model was well worth the money I paid for it. And that's that.